Today we're gonna review the ESR case for iPhone 13 Pro Max. Alright, so here it says the ESR stands for Electronic Silk Road Corporation, which is from Delaware, US. And again, they have other branches and all those stuffs. The price is $2,999. However, you get discount in Amazon. I'm gonna share the link later in this video. Okay, and here it says designed in the USA. So there's nothing much apart from that. So let's quickly open the box. Perfect. I like this matte finish, it's really good. Let's have a closer look at the case. Here it says Hello Lock magnetic case, the ESR brand, tech made easier. We do have the ESR tech made easier symbol here. Okay, behind we can see there is something written here. It says camera guard. Now I have my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let me put this case in this. Okay, installation is simple. The fitting is perfect, and you can see behind it's a translucent matte finish. So the color of the phone is not completely visible except for this section you can see, and also the Apple logo is kind of not so clear. However, we have a specific mark for the MagSafe. Front, we do have a decent amount of elevation, especially on the corners of the screen, so your screen is protected. You don't need additional tempered glass. However, I have already installed a tempered glass here. Even with the tempered glass, there is a decent amount of elevation, which actually provides additional safety for the screen, which is really good. We do have a little bit of cutout here for the speaker. Let's quickly check if the buttons are responding with the case. All right, let me check here. Cool. And we do have precise cutout over here. Looking at the rear view, again the cutouts are really precise. On the edges we do have a slight bump here, with a bump like this on all the four edges, which gives additional protection for the phone when the phone is dropped on like this on the corner. All right, it's time to test the MagSafe charger on this case, whether it works or not. All right, great. I heard the charging, it's charging well. And the magnets are pretty strong, the grip is really good and it doesn't fall off, as you can see. Alright, so I'm gonna try one more time. Perfect. Let's talk about the price. In Amazon, after discount you get it for rupees 1,199, which is a good deal. The same case for iPhone 14 Pro Max is bit higher, which is 1,349 rupees. I hope this video was informative. If you have any questions, please mention in the comment section below. As always, please hit the subscribe button and like my video. Thanks for watching. Peace.